Hello guys and welcome back. In today's episode of Something New, we'll be doing something special. That is, it will be a first of its kind, and on this channel it will be an unboxing video of something I recently purchased on a website which was giving a very special discount for Diwali. So the package arrived today morning and let's see what's inside. Well, I don't have a wide angle lens, so this is what you have to make do with. This is a package from Blue Dart. I ordered this deal on the 17th of this month, and today is 21st. So 4 days and I got it in express mail. So a huge thank you to Blue Dart for delivering my box of happiness. I have this long ass kitchen knife which is going to help me unbox this package. Is my invoice, and this is the package. Let's go ahead and open this thing. I almost had my nail cut. Okay, one side done. Other side done as well. So, can you guess what's inside? Let's do this. All right. This is the AirPods, and this is the iPhone 11. Not the Pro, not the Max, not the Pro Max, but just the iPhone 11. And this is a sunflower color. Now, I'm in love with this color because in Amazon you get to see all the colors except this one, which is the white, the black, the red, the green, and the purple. These are the 5 variants that you get to see on Amazon, but not this. So I thought, why not? Now, let me tell you about the offer before I open this. Before I go on to Apple, let me explain to you what deal Amazon was offering. Amazon was offering a deal, a huge discount on iPhone 11 just before the release of the iPhone 12. So now the thing is, they were offering the 64GB, the base variant of iPhone 11 at rupees 47,999, and the 128GB variant at rupees 52,999. This price was opened first for the Prime members on 16th of this month, and then it was later available for all. But then as the stocks were nearing its end, what they did was they increased the price. How much? The 47,999 went up to 49,999, and the 52,999 went up to 54,999, which is the fancy way of saying 55,000. But then Apple released its Diwali offer, the first of its many online offers to come. On 17th of this month, they unveiled their Diwali offer. And what is that? They said that if you're buying an iPhone 11, the base variant, or maybe with an upgraded storage or anything, but it has to be an iPhone 11. If you're buying an iPhone 11, then you get an AirPods for absolutely free. But on their side, the base variant of iPhone 11 was 54,990. This is the 128 variant that I bought from the Apple store because I really wanted an AirPod. I'll clear the calculation up right now. The base variant at Amazon was 47,999. It was later updated to 49,999, which is technically 50,000. So you are paying 50,000 rupees for the base variant of iPhone 11 at Amazon. But on the other hand, you are paying 54,990 for the base variant, which is approximately 5,000 rupees more on apple.in. But what's the catch there? You get an AirPod for free. Well, it's technically not for free because you're paying 5,000 rupees more. This has an original cost of 14,900. If you do the math here, against 14,900, you are paying approximately 5,000 rupees. So how much do you save? Well, if it is not visible, I'll tell you the figure. It's 9,900. So you are saving a total of 10,000 rupees on this AirPods. You're getting an AirPods for only 5,000 rupees. So there's that. And this is heavy. This is heavy. Coming to the box now. This is the new box that they ship. If you go on to Amazon, let me clarify this one thing. You still get earpods with the lightning connector, and you get a wall brick, a charging wall brick. But if you're buying from Apple's own site, then you are not going to get that. Inside this box, we'll see what are the components that they have packaged for us. Let's do a quick comparison here. This is the box of iPhone 11, and this is the box of iPhone 6s, the phone that I've been using for so many years now. So as you can see, the size of the box has reduced almost by 40%. But we are not here to talk about iPhone 6. We are here to cherish this beautiful color, this beautiful sunflower color of iPhone 11. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm not going to remove the screen protector right now. I'll just keep this aside for a second and let's check what's inside. As you can see, there's one cable which is a USB Type-C to a lightning port. I've ordered a 20-watt fast charging brick, but it hasn't arrived yet, so there's that. And we get only one Apple sticker, not two, just one. So yeah, this is the phone. This is my 6s, and this is the iPhone 11. Just the iPhone 11. I'll do a detailed review of this phone in a couple of weeks. Till then, this is it. Tell me if you like the color. I personally dig it, and I'll be unboxing my AirPods in my next video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked watching the video. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it now because there are interesting videos coming, and I promise you that.